Hey guys, today we're going to be explaining the brand new reworked Z0 Malacostraca. We're going to start off immediately with the most visible change, the stonefish spikes. The problem with these spikes were that they relied on something with arms to slap or physically attack the Z0. However, most underwater animals don't have arms, or not really something that are arms. This would make this defense not really applicable to Vex. Another issue is that this would add unnecessary complexity and potentially increase energy requirements to sustain the venom. The spikes would have also caused a bit of water resistance in swimming. Even though crustaceans are already pretty small, we'll take any speed we can from removing unnecessary weight. The stonefish spines will be completely removed with the only traces of stonefish being its gland contributing to its right gnatopod claw. The second change will be to its final functional pair of walking periopods, which will be further hooked and sharpened by the whale louse, of which is known for being able to cling tightly to the hide of whales. This will allow the Z0 to hook itself tighter to Bex, working alongside its array of suction cups and pincers. The third change is to its morphology, which will be altered by the Yucca fiddler. The asymmetrical phenotype of the fiddler crab is used to have two different chelipeds, one which is that of the mud crab's chelipeds meant to shear through flesh, and the other will be modified by the Aeroides gracilicris amphipod into a weaker marrow-chilic gnatopod. This gnatopod will have both the functions of a subchilic gnatopod, in that it can pierce and scrape as well as the pinching and cutting of a crab claw, though both functions will be of a weaker degree due to having less muscle mass. This gives the Z0 a lighter, more all-purpose utility kind of limb, decreasing both its weight now due to only having one cheliped with the muscular bulk of the mud crab. The fourth change will be to its internal venom anatomy. The major glands will be reorganized into only having one venom contributor per gland, making sure that no venom is a hybrid combination incorporating multiple contributors. The giant water bug's modified maxilliped stylet proboscis will remain the same, as the two salival glands will still have two contributors, with the anterior lumen microbiome being separate, containing the endosymbiotic bacteria of the blue ring octopus. The geographer cone snail's venom will be produced in its left Z. bulbinus tulumensis clawed maxilliped gland, and the Du Bois sea snake in its right. The right gnatopod will produce the aforementioned stonefinch venom, whilst the Australian box jellyfish the left gnatopod. This severely reduces the amount of contributors as well as increasing the overall congruity of said structures. The fifth change will be to its cognition. It's already highly intelligent and aggressive, as well as having the necessary motivational instincts and awareness from its parasitic contributors to attack and bring down larger fish, though it lacks the knowledge to navigate them internally. The tongue-eating isopod will be added so that it now has the internal knowledge necessary to maneuver itself around gill arches and its victim's oral cavity. This grants it a new possibility of going inside Vex's body, or near its gill openings to insert its payload much closer to its vitals. Examples include jaw muscle, larynx, esophageal or pharyngeal muscles, or any other blood vessels located around the area in its head. These new changes will be reclassified under a new subspecies called the Z0 Excelsior. It now has lessened weight, slightly improved speed, as well as more utility and options for attack. Its internal potential anatomical problems have been dampened, and overall the Z0 is now a much more difficult unseen threat to deal with in the water.